glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries free, let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. Let it flow in the calm. Just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth like a blooming flower. In the quiet, we're never sour. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. And let it flow in the calm. Just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth like a blooming flower. In the quiet, we'll never sour. In the quiet, we're never sour. Walking past the old bakery, the morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. Trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. Flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses jasmine, pine. But now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as I roam through places we once called our home. Each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot be. Through alleyways and memories sweet, your presence linger incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar through empty streets at dusk, but this time I let it pass me by. There was a mile mark above the sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon, and something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was, breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you, didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outmove. Yeah, it found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears, and in that moment something shifted view, like I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise and fears. Maybe it followed every turn you made till the silence opened just enough space, and it played like you knew your name. It says it, but it feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you, no need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found something lost or something to pursue.